Hi everyone, this is a video about this 2.4 gigahertz wireless microphone system from Boya. The model number is Boya WM4 PRO K5, and this K5 it has the Type C USB connection here that it says is for Android and other type C class C devices, Type C devices. And I am rather disappointed that I have purchased this because it was saying is for Android. And those who know me, they know that I am Android phone enthusiast, and I wanted something when I'm using a gimbal to attach to my Android phone, to have this strapped on myself, and then the microphone on my lapel or on my shirt, to just do a wireless recording of my sound while I am doing the recording with my gimbal. But unfortunately, I'm going through that for you. But the main reason that I have purchased this is because it doesn't have any built-in battery. So if it works for you, this one's battery is the receiver getting the battery from your phone. So if your phone is full, no problem. And this one takes 2 AAA batteries. So if you take care of this unit, you can use it forever and ever and ever, and you never be worried about running out of built-in battery or deplete the inside battery and chuck it in the bin and buying another one, or even thinking about changing the battery, worrying about the lifetime of the battery and so on. So if you carry another pair of AAA batteries in your pocket, so you are going to be sorted. So this one is for the vloggers and those people who are doing continuous recording and they need some mobile or wireless battery microphones. And the Boya's quality of the microphones is good, and I'll show you all sides of this, and then I get everything out of the box and we are going to talk more. But this one, it just says for smartphones, tablet. It didn't work for me. I tell you why. I get everything out of the box and we are going to talk more. When you get everything out of the box, it comes with this hard case for carrying it around, and we are going to talk about this more. And it has a very good extensive user manual for all models of the BYW, whatever number that it comes after that. And it's really extensive with only English language. And this one, I guess, is the model K5, that is Type C, and it shows you how to connect and what sort of controls you have over this. You have the volume of the settings of the microphone level, loudness, and then pairing hole, and then the mono and the stereo switch here. That stereo, it doesn't work with the microphone that it comes with it. And you have a headphone out here as well, and then you have a blue light that it behaves in different manners when it's connected or not connected, or when there is a problem and so on. And this is the headphone jack 3.5 millimeters. I think 3 segments. Well, I tell you which one is going there, and that's really it. And these are some specifications of the behavior of the blue lights on the receiver and on the sender as well. And that's really it. This is the first page about this, and then you have the for Apple as well, but this one is about the Type-C USB, and that's really it, nothing more. And it comes with a pin as well for pairing and so on. So this is it, and then it comes with some sort of warranty paper that it comes with. So I put this on the side, and it comes also with a microphone, that it has the muffler as well, and the clip, and the pin, pairing pin as well. So not so bad. I put this aside, and it comes with one of this. That is really handy. Silica gel to avoid any moisture to get into your microphone. And this is the receiver. Sorry, I attached this one to just extend this this Type-C USB in order to avoid you know, taking the protector of my phone, the case of my phone, out every time that I want to use this. This is really handy. I recommend you to get one of these. This is Type-C to Type-C, Type-C female to Type-C male. I put it aside. We are going to talk about this. And this is the sender that you can clip it to your belt or your pockets and so on. You have a on and off button here, and you have the pairing, and this is the aerial that is going there, and you have a LED light. Here you have line in and microphone. I have to say that your microphone, this microphone is going in there, and the line in is for your I think it's for computers and so on. And this clip is really handy. It just turns all the way around 360, and if you don't want it, you can take it off by pushing from this side. It comes off the body, and then you can place it in your pocket, but it's not advisable. It has to be exposed to get the 2.4 gigahertz of communication with the receiver and sender. So this is the unit. The size is this big. Let me just show you on here. Every segment, you know, that is 1 centimeter here. So it's not heavy. The batteries are installed in there for the purpose of, you know, this video. And it's just very hard to open this. That's why I put it in there beforehand. And these are the batteries, and you just push this back like so, and made in China. So let's talk about the problem that I have. I have purchased this to use it with my gimbal. Okay, let me just show you the case as well. This is the case. You have the zip here to put every other accessories that you want in there, and it's really spacious for this, and the quality is good. The size in comparison to my hand is not bad. OCD attack, that was not straight, and that's really it. And the problem that I have a gimbal purchased for some of my I think is when I am on the move to produce better videos for my viewers, for my subscribers, or YouTube videos that I'm making. So, and if I wanted, for instance, use my Rode Wireless Go kit with that, you have to connect the microphone cable into your mobile phone, and when it's attached to the gimbal, so it's going to lose the balance there somehow. So because of that, I was looking for something that is just putting some weight on my mobile phone. This is 11 grams, so it's not much. In that sense, it's really good. And most of the gimbals designed for the mobile phones, you know, they can maximum carry 290 grams of weight. And so you're limited to use other stuff with your attached to your mobile. So because of that, I purchased this, and it was saying that it's good with Android as well. So I thought it has Type C, so I'm gonna be covered. So I connected it, and both of my phones, the Note 9 and S9 that I have, both of them, they are saying, oh, connected with a USB microphone, but it carries on recording on the built-in microphone. So this one is going back, but I was really happy to purchase this because I purchased this at a great price, and the price of this varies from £90 up to, well, some crazy people, they are selling the same item for £160. So you know that this is supposed to be a good microphone for your YouTube videos, vlogging, and all of that. So that is my problem. So the way that you connect this is very straightforward, because when it comes from factory, these two, they are already paired. So the only thing that you have to do is just connect it to your Type C mobile phone, and then it turns on. It doesn't have any sort of, you know, turn on and off on this one, but you have it on that. So it comes on. You just have to, you know, put this on mono or a stereo and adjust the volume. And as soon as you turn this one on, both of them pair, you know, very easily, very quickly, and that you don't need to do anything else. So, and then if the microphone is attached to this, you just, you know, clip it on yourself, and that's it. You're ready to go. But unfortunately, it didn't work for me. So this one, so much so that I regret it because of the great price that I've purchased this. It has to go back. And I think when they are talking about Type C connectors, they are talking about the Apple products that they have Type C connectors, not Androids. But anyhow, I get in touch with Boya to see if I can find out what the thing that I'm doing wrong that is not going to, you know, turn on the microphone here. I cannot record with the microphone here attached to this sender. So it's really good. I was really excited about this, but for the price, you know, is a little bit dear, but for the price that I have purchased is perfect, because I purchased this for £70. It was brand new, and the seller sent it really quick, and I was really excited. But unfortunately, the excitement was short-lived, and then I had to, resort into send this item back. And everything is really well built, and from Boya, that everything is good quality, but not as good as Rode, but still is good. And here, as I showed you, you have the muffler, and then the clip, and the pin, and all of this. So if you are having a Android phone, and if you want to purchase this item, I recommend you to just be careful, because mine, it didn't connect. So for those people that they might think that, okay, you have to go to your camera settings and then turn the Bluetooth or, USB microphone on. For those people, I have to tell them that I know about all of this, and I checked it out, and my mobile phones, they are already telling me that connected to the USB microphone, but my phones, they are not allowing that. I gone even to the setting of the app, a camera app, to see if I have to make any sort of changes in there in order to do that, but everything was fine, and still I couldn't, connect it, record via this Boya microphone. So this video is getting too long, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.